video, I will be showing you how to import and export all the WordPress content in a very simple and very usual way. The method that I will be teaching you consists of basically us being able to bring all the information from WordPress, such as the content that you have in posts, pages, images, links, and also more specific and detailed content from the database in a single file. For this, we always recommend here at the company and for our customers a very good plugin that you can be enabling here in a very simple way. And the name of the plugin is All-in-One Migration. Just search for the plugin name here in the WordPress plugin library and click on the install option now. As soon as the plugin is installed, just click on the enable option. The cool thing about this tool is that at any time you can create a backup of your site so that you can download and store it in a safe place, or even import and export the files from your site. The process is very simple. Just click on this export to option and click on this first file option. There are other integrations such as Dropbox, Google Drive, Amazon S3, and others, but these other options are paid, and if you need them, you need to acquire an official license from the plugin itself for this to be possible. The first option is completely free. Once you click on this option, the system itself will generate all the information and group all the WordPress data from the database and also all the data from the site, as you can see here. In this way, it will release a file, in this case of 27 megabytes, that you can easily download. And from the moment you select this export option, a backup option is released within this other option here. And you can download it at any time, or also select the option to restore as a base for this backup. Remembering that this plugin has its features free, but some specific features are paid. This is important to pay attention to in this process.